Hello everyone, myself Amrita Khemnani. I'll teach you EVS subject in grade 5. I heartily welcome you all in new academic session 2021-22. So let's start grade 5 subject EVS. Before starting any unit, let's first of all learn something about EVS. What is EVS? EVS is environmental studies or environmental science. In EVS there are so many different topics which we have to cover. In grade 3-4 also you have learned so many things in EVS. This time the topics we are going to cover in EVS that are surroundings, climate, the climate nearby us, whether it is cool or hot, too much cool or too much hot, animals and birds nearby us, what is their food to eat, where they live, what is their shelter, how they behave, what is their living style, plants, trees, all these things will be included in the EVS. Yes, one more thing, the nutrition of our body. हम हमारी बॉडी को कैसे प्रॉपरली न्यूट्रिशन दे सकते हैं, न्यूट्रिशन फ्रॉम वेयर वी आर गेटिंग, फ्रॉम द फूड वी eat. So this type of different topics which are related to our life we will cover in EVS subject. Okay, so today first unit that we are going to start is unit 1, super senses. Maybe the question arises in your mind, ma'am, what is super senses? What is the meaning of senses? The question arises, what is senses? Senses, let me tell you, you are already aware the human being is having 5 main sense organs. Which are that 5 main sense organs? Ears, eyes, nose, tongue and skin. These are the main 5 sense organs which we have as a human being. And yes, these sense organs are doing the work also according to their senses. Like eyes. What the eyes is doing? What is the work of eyes? To see. Work of ears? To listen. To smell by nose, to taste by tongue and to feel with the skin. These are the different works also which our sense organs are doing. So here in this chapter we are going to talk about senses. So हमने हमारे senses के बारे में तो बात कर ली, like the human beings is having the senses, ears, eyes, nose, tongue and skin. But let's talk about animal senses. Whether the animals are also having the senses? I don't think so. Yes, animals also has their personal senses. उनके पास भी अपने senses होते हैं. To feel, to listen, to see, to taste their food, to smell their food. All these qualities animals also have. So here in this chapter we are going to talk about animal senses. Okay. So first of all, let me tell you one example. Suppose we are talking about ants. आपने देखा छोटी छोटी चींटियाँ. Somewhere suppose you fall some food on the floor. आपके हाथ से कभी food floor पर गिर जाता है. So what is happening? Something sweets or maybe sugar fall on the floor. What will happen? Suddenly so many ants will come in the group and they will try to take that sugar with them. ओके आपने ये काफ़ी बार देखा होगा कि जैसे ही कुछ नीचे फ्लोर पर गिरता है तो वहाँ पे चींटियाँ इकट्ठी हो जाती हैं. दे आर टेकिंग द फूड टू द with them. So here we are talking first we will talk about ants. So how they are getting to know कि वहाँ पर food है. How they will come to know that there is a food and they are coming in a group. How they are following the way. So let's learn something new about ants. How they can smell the food. So the first step is food fall on floor. Food fall on floor. आपके हाथ से फूड गिर गया है फ्लोर पे और अदरवाइज वी कैन से शुगर. आपके हाथ से शुगर फ्लोर पर गिर चुकी है. Now what will happen? Now the ants will come to know where the food is. How they will come to know? Yes. So second is the food will be sensed by ants. जो ants होती हैं वो अपने फूड को सेंस कर सकती हैं with the help of their nose. So the ants are sensing their food, smelling their food with the help of with the help of their antenna. Yes, the ants are having antenna. आपने देखा होगा ants के सर पर ऊपर दो पंख के जैसे होते हैं, नीचे उनके legs होते हैं, लेकिन ऊपर जो भी होते हैं that two wings are called as antenna, and that antenna is helping to the ant to smell the food. So food fall on the floor. The ants have sensed with the help of antenna. उनकी antenna की help से they can smell their food. Then they can actually smell their food. वो अपने फूड को स्मेल कर सकती है. Yes, they can actually smell their food. वो अपने फूड को स्मेल कर सकती है with the help of antenna, and then they will try to find the way to go to the food. Okay, so they can actually smell their food, and then they are living now. Before explaining this point, let me ask you one thing. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया they can smell their food and they are coming with the group and they are eating, they are trying to take the food. But if suppose they are coming out in a group, they are coming in a single line. आपने ये बात नोटिस की होगी, जब भी वो आते हैं तो वो एक सिंगल लाइन को ही फॉलो करते हैं. It is not like two are going there, two are going left, two are going right. Not like that. They are going in a simple single line. They are going in a single line, and that how they can follow. वो कैसे follow कर सकते हैं single line? So here is a notice. They leave a smell on the ground. Yes, let me explain you this thing with example. Suppose I'll draw here some sugar pieces. Okay, these are the sugar pieces. Here I fall sugar pieces, and now the ants are coming. So this is the ant. Okay, so these are the ants. Let me give the names to them. A, then B, C, D, E, F, etc. Okay, so A is coming to the food, nearby the food. How the B will come to know to follow the way? वो कैसे follow करेंगे? So here is the thing. When A leaves the space, वो जब भी अपनी space छोड़कर आगे आती है sugar का piece लेने के लिए, so here the A is leaving a smell. वो अपनी एक स्मेल छोड़कर जाती है उस ग्राउंड पे, जो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, they leave a smell on the ground. वो अपनी एक स्मेल ग्राउंड पर छोड़कर जाते हैं, and that smell is helping to B to find the particular way where the A went. Actually food कहाँ पर है वो सबको नहीं पता होता. Let me clear. All the ants are not aware where the food is. The food is only A is aware where the food is. So all the ants are following the way to A. So A का कैसे पता चलेगा बाकी सबको? So with the help of smell. And next, if suppose B went to this, तो C को कैसे पता चलेगा? Same thing with smell. Yes, whenever they are leaving the space, they are leaving a smell on the ground for the helping of the back side of ants. पीछे जो ants आ रही हैं उनकी हेल्प के लिए वो वहाँ पर एक स्मेल छोड़कर जाते हैं, and that smell is helping to C, D, E and X, Y, Z to come to their particular way. That is a very nice thing in ants. Okay, so they leave a smell on the ground. And उसके बाद जैसे suppose you are doing some ants you are taking out. आपने उसका वे बंद कर दिया. Again I am showing you with the example. A, B, C, D, E. यहाँ पर आपने रख दी एक बॉक्स रख दिया आपने यहाँ पर. Now here it is F, G, H. These are the names of ants. This is one example. Take as an example. A, B, C, D. These are the ants' name. And these are also ants. They were coming in one group, but suddenly I have kept one book or one box here. मैंने suddenly वहाँ पर उनके वे में एक box रख दिया. So now what will happen? अब क्या होगा? How the F will follow the E way? कैसे पीछे वाले ants आगे को follow करेंगे? How? So here is a notice that they can follow the smell. Yes, as I told you, they can follow the smell. मैंने आपको बताया था कि जो भी ants आगे जा रही है, they are leaving a smell on the ground. वो वहाँ पर एक smell छोड़कर जाती हैं. तो सारी ants है ना, what they will do, they will make one circle. वो एक सर्कल बना लेंगे अपना एंड दे विल ट्राई टू सर्च. वो इधर उधर ढूंढने लगेंगे कि कहाँ पर हमें वो स्मेल आ रही है हमारे फ्रेंड्स वाली. एज आई टोल्ड यू, एंड्स कैन स्मेल देयर फ्रेंड्स. वो अपने फ्रेंड्स को स्मेल कर सकती हैं. सो वो वे फाइंड करेंगे कि कहाँ पर हमारे फ्रेंड की स्मेल हमें आ रही है विच आर रिलेटेड टू अवर फैमिली. तो दे विल ट्राई टू सर्च एंड देन दे कैन फाइंड द वे विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्मेल. वो स्मेल से अपना वे पहचान सकते हैं एंड देन अगेन दे कैन ज्वाइन विद ABCDE. So this is a way how the ants are smelling and how they can follow the way. Okay, so here we can write one more point. They can follow a way. They can follow a smell to find the way. Yes, they can follow a smell to find the way. अगर उनको proper way find करना है, so what they will follow? The B will follow the smell of A, then C will follow the smell of B. Likewise, they will follow the smell. And if suppose हमने उनको बीच में रोक दिया, तो what they will do? They will try to search in group. वो तीनों चारों जो ants क्लास में पीछे खड़ी हैं, they will make a group और वो try करेंगे कि हम अपनी smell find करें and then they can find their way. So these are the points which are covered in ants. How the ants are smelling the food, how they are coming out and they are taking the food. All these things we have covered for ants. So next we will start with dog.